Imagine you have a bucket. You're pouring water in, that's your hard work, your editing, your research. But the bucket has holes. The water your potential traffic is leaking out and going straight into your neighbor's garden. That is exactly what a content gap is. It is the specific topics, keywords, and questions that your competitors are answering, but you are ignoring. And because you're ignoring them, you are handing them free views and revenue. Today, we aren't just finding the holes, we're patching them up. Let's keep this simple. A content gap analysis is basically a Venn diagram. Circle A is the keywords you rank for. Circle B is the keywords your competitors rank for. The overlap, that's where you're fighting for attention. But that crescent moon shape on their side, the stuff they rank for but you don't. That is the content gap. That is the gold mine. If you run a coffee channel and you've reviewed every bean in existence but never explained how to clean a French press, while your main rival has, guess who gets the search traffic for maintenance? Them. So, how do we find them? You can use paid tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush. They literally have a button called Content Gap. You plug in your URL, plug in 3 competitors, and hit search. It spits out a list of keywords they have that you don't. But if you're on a budget, do it manually. Go to your competitors' most popular videos or top pages. Scroll down, look for titles you haven't covered. Here is a question for you. Do you currently use paid SEO tools, or are you doing this manually? Let me know in the comments below. I want to see what the split is. Now, finding the gap is easy. Filling it effectively is where the magic happens. Do not just copy your competitor. If their video on how to clean a French press is 10 minutes of waffling, you make a 3-minute version that gets straight to the point. Analyze their intent. What did they miss? Improve the format. Can you make it funnier, shorter, more visual? Link it up. Once you make that content, link it back to your existing videos to trap the viewer in your ecosystem. Don't just fill the hole. Build a castle on top of it. Look, this strategy works. It's the quickest way to steal back market share. If you found this useful, do me a massive favor. There is probably a friend or colleague you know who is struggling to grow their channel or blog. Send this video to them. Tell them about the channel. And if you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss the next part of this series. Stop letting your competitors win by default. Go find those gaps, create the content, and reclaim your traffic. Let's get it fixed.